Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I have been asked, how do I know if I have the full Creators Update installed on my Windows 10? And if I don't, how do I update to it? Well, actually, this is pretty easy to check. All you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and you now need to type in WinVer. And you now need to open this up and straight away it will tell us a little bit about our computer. And as you can see, I do have Windows 10, and for the version, this is the part we need to look for. Version 1709, that is the full Creators Update, which means I am currently on full Creators on Windows 10, which is great. But if your number is lower than 1709, then you now need to head on over to the link that's in the description below, and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to click on Update Now, below the full Creators Update now available. And you now need to go Save File. Once the file has finished downloading, we now need to run the setup file. And as you can see, it has detected I have the latest version. But if you don't, you should now have a Update Now button which you can click on and just go through a couple of the options. There's nothing too difficult there. And once you get to the end, it will begin to download the latest version of the full Creators Update. And it really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.